Hey guys, it's back with JohnyTechReview and hope you guys are doing well. So today I just want to unboxing and review of just a little product here. It's called a FenSens wireless parking sensor. What it is a frame that you can install behind your car, and then when you back up it will let you know if there is a something in the way or not, so you don't have to hit it. In the back you have some specification here. So here we have the sensor, some proprietary anti-tapping, foam mount, battery, which is a AA, lasts 5 months supposedly. So you mount the plate front and the back, and then you install the app, and then it's ready to go. No complex wiring. It supports Android 5, but 4.4 is minimum, and then iOS 7 plus. And here was coming inside. Got a little instruction menu here. Here's the frame for it. And here it looks like a foam mount, maybe a sensor set up here, mounting screw right here. This looks like the battery for it, then some mounting tool kit. So here is the instruction. Look like you download the app, mount the plate, and then you actually put this on the steering wheel. I don't know how I want to do that, but let's see. And then you can just use that to tap to launch the app. So we'll try that. So guys, I just want to give you guys a feedback on the FenSens device. I've been using it for probably about a month now, and yeah, it's still on my car. I haven't taken it off yet, being kind of lazy. I do want to point out some good thing and some bad thing about it. So number one, seems like the battery is pretty solid. It only come on when you launch the app, and or you trigger the button that will send some information to the camera or the sensor, and then the sensor will come on. So that's the good part. Battery is supposed to last 6 months. We'll see how long that goes. It does take just like AA battery, so it comes with two of them. You can buy a rechargeable one if you want to. The sensor itself is pretty good. You do have to do some calibration, adjust how far the distance is, but other than that it's pretty easy. I have an Android rear view mirror, and of course you can hook an app to that, but when I put it in reverse, my car automatically changed to the video feed, so I won't be able to see the apps. So I put it on my phone just like the way it's recommended to be used anyway on an Android or an iOS phone. I have an iPhone. Put it on the phone and it works perfectly fine. You can use the button to launch it, and the app will launch immediately. If the app runs in the background, that's one of the requirements. You have to put it in the background. It launched, and you can see the sensor. You can turn on the sound. It's beep, and it make all kind of noise, and it's pretty accurate. It's able to detect object. It's able to detect people behind it. So that works pretty well. Now it's running. You say you are parking. You can just launch the app. The app will show you right here. I'm gonna go ahead and back up. It makes this really annoying noise. You can actually turn it off if you want to by tapping this button here. You see the sensor right now. And up here I have a real backup camera, so you can kind of see. I'm kind of on an incline, so that's why all the beeping. Another disadvantage to me, I feel like, is actually the the convenience of using this. So in order for you to do this, my car already have a backup camera, so when I back it up, my camera come on and I can see everything pretty much. So if you don't have that, and the sensor will definitely help, but of course with the sensor you have to basically press the button to launch the app, and so every time you want to back up you have to manually do that. There's no automatic process. So here on the device it showed that there's 2 bars left, and when I go check outside a minute ago it was about 1 feet away. But it's in reverse to kind of show you how close it is. My camera is actually really close, so it's hard to tell. It's a really wide angle camera. My camera showed that it's almost hitting it, but I got about 1 feet left. So, but here it's pretty accurate. I'm gonna stop right here. I won't hit my van. And you can kind of see the distance right now. And you can set the distance from the bumper, so you can make some adjustment on that. But that's pretty close how close it is right now. It's easy installation, but at the same time you don't have the advantage of knowing when your car is actually back up. So maybe they can add some kind of sensor or add some cable. I don't know. It just, you have to launch the app every time. It's kind of annoying. The little button that goes on your steering wheel, it's kind of big and obnoxious. It kind of get in the way. It does fit in my steering wheel, but I just put it to the side. You can tape it on to the dash, something like that, if you want to do that. Finally, for the price, I think it's like $150 for the device. I mean, it works perfectly fine, but the problem is it only comes with one set of sensor. It would be nice to have the front and the back included in the kit, which would be pretty great. So I do hope that they bring the price down either a little bit, or offer one that has 2 sensors for front and the back. I think if you sell this for like $99 with 2 sensors, something like that, they will hit it off and it will be really great. But other than that, the app works really well. I have no problem with no crashing. Wireless reception, I never had any problem with it. The sonar sensor works really well, and it's picking up objects pretty good. Again, the only problem I have really is just the convenience of manually launching the app every time. If they can come up with a way to go around that, that would be great, and perhaps add that second sensor. So I hope you guys enjoy this short little review. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box down below. Other than that, please like the video if it helped you, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more future review. Thank you.